Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're travelling from Dublin to London and I thought I'd take you along with me. We're having a picnic at the airport for breakfast. I've made my banana bread with grapes, cucumber, and you're just digging into it. It's great bringing homemade stuff so you don't have to buy anything here, and it's gluten free and just meets all of our requirements.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London Gatwick. The local time is coming up to 10 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has arrived on stand and the overhead seatbelt sign has been switched off. At this time, you may now switch on and use your mobile phones. However, you must remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Please ensure you take all your personal belongings with you, including any reading material that you may have brought on board.
On landing, we went through the airport and then found our way to the train station, which is super easy, and hopped on a train. And for lunch, I found this lovely salad from Marks and Spencer, which just fueled me for the rest of our journey for the day. Once we checked into our hotel, we went to a nearby supermarket and got a whole haul of food, which I shared in a video recently, that I enjoyed the rest of the day. I had a couple of hard-boiled eggs, some fruit, a bit of cheese, cucumber and yogurt too, and that was my full day of eating. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos and comment too, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!